Alright, got a 2007 Honda Accord. We're going to be doing the air filter. Let's go on and start doing it. Alright, all we're going to be doing is grabbing an 8mm socket, and we're going to be taking this bolt out, taking this one out, this one down here, and lastly, one that's all the way down here. Alright, now we're going to take out the air filter cover. Simply raise it up, push it back, roll it up, and then from there we can go on and grab our air filter. Alright, now we're going to install our brand new air filter. The air filter now in. Now we're going to put our air filter cover back in as well. Now that we've secured that it's fully in, now we're going to go ahead and bolt them back on. And that's how we do our air filter.